So we have three things here. We have a stacked slate urn, courtesy of Aquascape, obviously paid by me own money. We have an Oazi Maxi 60 box, which is over there. Very similar to what you would get from Aquascape in terms of aqua blocks, which is basically a container. And over there we've got a box, and I'll show you what's in that now. Right, so we have a bucket. So let me just show you what it looks like. Relatively small. It's a plastic box that allows you to structurally put it together. I'll put it together so you guys can see. Just thought I'd show you how it looks like all laid out in its various components. So I thought I'd just show you before I put the top part on how it's put together. Basically you've got these little notches that go in the grooves here, and essentially it just slots together and it's quite rigid and strong. I just thought I'd touch on price. It was about £40, just over £40 with postage. That gives you a rough idea. It's not in properly, but I just wanted to show you, give you a rough idea on how it would go in. Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the blue stone that's turned up. This is slate. It cost me £185 for 40 pieces. So I just wanted to show you what has turned up. So guys, here is the stone laid out, so you get an idea of what can be achieved with it. And as you can see, we've got some flat stones, some chunky stones. Essentially we've got the building blocks for a nice waterfall and stream. So I've just excavated the area and got rid of all the weeds, taken out some plants, and I'm thinking about putting a waterfall here with a stream that meanders down into the pond. So guys, I've filled in the reservoir and the makeshift sump pump that we've got here for the pumps. Fill it in with gravel all the way around for our water feature. Basically this is just going to be a waterfall. So here's the progress so far with our ebony pebbles, and I used a bit of some pieces I had left from the Oazi reservoir box to create a cover for our pump vault there. Right guys, let me just show you the Aquascape filter that I bought. This is a small version. It's basically a spillway and a waterfall container in one. I have previously bought this before and used it on my pond build, but we're gonna redo the pond and redo the waterfall. So I thought I'd show you what's in the package. So let's just take the plastic off. So that's the spillway. It's quite big, bigger than I thought it was actually. You get a bag to put your media in. There's a sponge that obviously filters. You've got various bits and bobs to attach on the rear of it, as you can see, and then a little stand that allows water to filter through. Then you put your mat on, then you would put your bag, which could be lava rock, and essentially that's what we've got here. It retails for £125 off Amazon. I'm actually paying for it on 5 instalments, so it doesn't cost too much. It's only about £25 a month. So I just wanted to show you the shape of the waterfall. So we have an elevation here as you can see, drops down into a pooling area, meanders around and goes into the pond. So we put our liner down, goes into the reservoir obviously, and the various gravel and plants. We've got some plants at the back as well. That's essentially how it's set up at the moment.